Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to workbook view in Excel. So let's start with my Excel and you can see I have a data. So here you can view your workbook with the three different way. Okay. So just go to the view tab and here in workbook view group have some option. So default is a normal selected. You can see now is a view is a normal view. Okay. If page break preview, just click on the page break preview. You can see it is a page break preview. Okay. Back to the normal, click on the normal. Okay. For page layout view, just click on the page layout view. And here, this is a page layout. You can add here header and other details also. Back to the normal, just click on the normal view. Okay. These same three option here also in bottom side also showing. Okay, this is a normal. Okay, and this is a page layout, and third is a page preview. Okay, all three view here also showing. And what about the custom view? Okay, custom view means suppose if you want to view particular data, suppose I just go to the sheet number 2 and I select here the particular data and go to the custom view. Just click on the custom view and add here the data's name. So I just add here the IMP data. Okay, and click on OK. Now I go to the sheet number 1 in data. Now I just click on the custom view, and here the one dialog box is open, custom view. Then here the one only custom view added. So I select it and click on the show. See, within a second, the view is show you in any sheet. Okay. So this is also helpful to open the quickly your custom view of any data of any area in the Excel file. Okay. So this is also so helpful. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.